Right, this is getting ready to go to Harewood. This is the car as you know it, 245 Webers, 2288cc. I did have a misfire the other week, just at high revs, about 5,000 revs, which is sort of very nearly peak revs. So I've changed the points and I've changed the condenser, and I've now got an option of coils, and I'm running on the newer coil. I wouldn't normally recommend that you change all those electrical components all at once, but I've not had a chance to test the car, and I can't do one electrical item at a time in the time frame that I've got. I've got to load the trailer now. It's late Saturday afternoon and I'm racing on Sunday at Harewood, and sprints are very short and it either works or it doesn't, and I want to give it the best opportunity of working. I've got fresh fuel, everything else checks out, it starts, it runs, it revs well. It's I've just not been able to test it under load, which is typically where the problems happen. I've got my timing beam breaker, the strut, all fitted, ready to go. That's the regulation toe point for the front. It's the same on the back, and I have all my seat belts done. The headrest is removable, so I can put the tonneau on that will cover all of this area. I'm trying a different camera mount just on the roll bar. I've got some ties so I can secure that on to keep the scrutineers happy, and I'll have the usual camera mount in the middle so you can see what's going on, and fingers crossed we can have a good day tomorrow. The weather's a bit mixed. It's looking like it could be quite wet. We've had quite a big storm come through and weather warnings this weekend. Silverstone has been absolutely soaking for their classic racing events, so we've just got to wait and see what we've got. So that's my garage. It's all very tight, unfortunately, and that's where it's going. Straight onto the trailer on here, and then we're loaded. Just want to say at this point really that the car hasn't been started for well over a week since I last put it away, and it starts really well, thankfully. There we go, loaded, ready to go, and that's it, straps on and an early start. So hopefully we can see you up there, and if you do, come and say hello.